Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tarot Predictions. So, in my last video, I have told you about what each zodiac sign wants but will never ask for in a relationship. So, continuing the same discussion, now today I'll be covering the other zodiac sign, the rest of the zodiac sign. Let's talk about Virgo. So, Virgo needs someone who understands all of your quarrels or trust issues and still wants to be with you. Yes, Virgos are definitely a guarded sort. They are extremely analytical and critical of themselves as well as those in their lives. They have a high set of expectations that they want to be met and they won't settle for anything less. It usually takes quite a while for a Virgo to let down their guard down and even think about opening up to someone. Yet once they come across someone they believe could be the real deal, they are willing to give things a chance. Sometimes it can feel like they are planning their escape route in case things fall apart, but they are still incredibly loving, loyal, and devoted partners once they have fallen in love with you. Yet, even when things are going great in the relationships, a Virgo secretly wants to know that their partner understands their strange quarrels and issues and still wants to be with them regardless. Virgos know they aren't always the easiest to be with, but they hope their partner wants to step up to the plate and truly earn their trust, not be ready to take off the moment the Virgo gets guarded. So, this was about Virgo. Now, coming to the next zodiac sign, that is Libra. Yes, the balance. They need someone to love them without restraint or ulterior motive. Libras are full of empathy and a desire to bring harmony into all of their relationships, platonics or romantic. They want that atmosphere surrounding their relationships to be peaceful and relaxing, almost like being at home. Though they can be flirtatious, they can be flirt at times and want to enjoy the moment once they find someone that they feel balanced them out, they will hold on tight without thinking twice. A Libra doesn't want love to be one sided. They expect their partner to give just as much as they take, because otherwise the love isn't honest and it can cause tension. Yet, even in the most harmonious of relationships, deep down the Libra wants to know that not only is the partner just as invested, but that they are doing so without an ulterior motive or just to take advantage of them. They know that people can play games and try to manipulate each other, and though they can be receptive of this, they can have a tendency to overlook red flags if it means avoiding a conflict. A Libra won't demand this from their partners, however, because they know it can come off as an accusation within turn could result in a conflict, something they would like to avoid at all costs. So, this was about Libra. Now, coming to Scorpio. Yes, Scorpio needs someone to truly be worthy of their trust. Scorpios are mysterious and passionate and tend to be one of the more sought after sign in the zodiac realm. Though their sex appeal plays into this, it's more than that. It's the way they present themselves, the way they talk, the way they move. Scorpios are almost always you, enticing you to come closer to them while simultaneously pushing you away. And that paradox gives them quite a few options to choose from in the relationship department. Scorpios are still incredibly selective and won't settle for just anyone. They have to truly work to break down their walls and convince them they are trustworthy. Yet, here is the kicker. Even when a Scorpio has fallen in love and is hopelessly devoted, there is still a small part of them that doesn't believe is still a small part of them that doesn't believe anyone is trustworthy, even themselves. So, even in the best possible relationship, a Scorpio is always going to have the nagging thought in their heads that this person can't be fully trusted, and deep down, all they want is some sort of sign that proves their partner truly is worthy of them, trust, and vulnerability. However, they will never ask this from their partner because even if the partner makes all sorts of claims and does everything to try and prove they're trustworthy, the Scorpio knows they will still be skeptical. So, why even bother? Now, coming to the next sign, that is the Sagittarius. Sagittarius, they need someone who isn't afraid to explore with them or keep up with them. Sagittarius are adventurous and playful. They don't like to be tied down or held back by anyone. They tend to be flirty and optimistic. They like to have a good time and want their partner to enjoy themselves too, though it takes a particular person to really make them want to enter a relationship. Once they do, they are incredibly loyal and exciting partners to be with. Yet, even in the most promising of relationships, deep down a Sagittarian wants to have a partner who can keep up and explore with them and not try to talk to them, take them out of things, or hold them back. Though people can be flexible and willing to go with the flow, Sagittarius is a particular kind of restless. They constantly want to explore what is out in the world and see everything it has to offer. Yet, they won't truly ask this of their partner or from their relationship. They know it can be difficult for people to see things the way they do unless they are exactly alike. Even then, they may not still have desires to explore the same things. Most most of the time, Sagittarius people tend to justify that they are better off alone and will cut ties rather than compromise who they are. But that doesn't mean they don't long for an honest and fulfilling relationship. Next zodiac sign, Capricorn. They crave for someone who honestly craves their help and advice as much as they compliments and romantic gestures. So, friends, Capricorn are known for being practical, cold, and pessimistic, but there is far more to them than those traits. They are incredibly hard workers who value success in all aspects of their lives. And when they fall for someone, their loyalty and protectiveness know no bounds. Capricorn plays great value in helping others achieve their goals and dreams. And they have a soft spot for those that they end up falling in love with. Yet, even if the relationship is going smoothly and successfully, deep down the Capri wants to know that their partner values their help and advice just as much as the romantic gestures and kind words they give. Capri don't feel very in their element in being emotional. Though that doesn't mean they won't try if it means a lot to their partner, and it usually does. Yet Capri truly do want to be there and support their partners when they need help or are going through a difficult time. They want to be the shoulder to lean on, and they are very good at it. They want to know their partner appreciates this aspect of themselves. Though they won't say this because they don't want their partner to pretend to care for these things out of pity and cost to them. And because of them, actions speak louder than words. So if their partner is truly dismissive of this aspect they possess, they will be able to tell sooner rather than later. Now, coming to Aquarius, they need someone to give them complete freedom and trust to come back again. Aquarians are unconventional, adventurous, and logical. They value learning and growing in their lives and are always challenging themselves to become better and more aware of themselves as well as the world around them. They tend to be drawn to social and find they feel an immense burden to do so as much as they can to help. And being in a relationships tend to be viewed as something that will only take up their time. Yet, when an Aquarian manages to stumble across someone who truly captures their eye and their heart, they are more than willing to try and fit them into their lives and even show a little of their vulnerable side in small doses. However, even if all the pieces fit perfectly, an Aquarius still has a strong need for personal space and freedom. And while they won't compromise this for anyone, they want to know that their partner wholeheartedly trusts them to be free and do their own thing. Knowing they will stay true and always come back at the end of the day, Aquarius know that according to conventional standards, this is a lot to ask of people, especially given their nature of being emotionally detached, and often they won't put their partners into this kind of position. They will simply assert their needs for space and see how the cards unfold from there. Now the last zodiac sign, that is Pisces. They need someone who is willing to set aside their bad habits or traits to be with you. Now Pisces are known to be hopelessly romantics. They are sensitive, selfless, and full of optimism. They tend to be full quickly and without much hesitation, despite having experienced heartbreak in the past. They like to provide a clean slate for each new person they develop feeling for, and while this is inspiring, it can also lead to them being taken advantage of. Pisces truly just want to find the person to spend their life with, even if they try to say otherwise. When they do enter a relationship, they go above and beyond for their partners, truly trying to show how much they care and how valuable they can be as a partner. Why they are truly worth sticking with. Yet, even if the relationship seems to be going well and things are working out, deep down the Pisces wants to know that they are worth being with forever, even if that means someone changing their bad habits to do so. Pisces tend to attack, attach, attract a lot of partners who take advantage of, manipulate, or even abuse them. Because if how selfless and giving they are, and though Pisces isn't dumb and can see this, they still hold out hope that they will be worth their partner setting aside their toxic traits to truly be with the ideal partner. The Pisces has pictured inside their heads. They won't ask this of their partner because they know it's unfair to project their own ideas onto someone else, but that doesn't mean they still don't secretly hold that hope deep down. So friends, this was all about all the zodiac signs, what they really want, they crave for in their partners, but they never will reveal to you. So I hope this would have helped you in some way. So stay tuned for my next video, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.